These shocking photographs show the trail of destruction caused when a Ferrari supercar plowed into the front garden of a suburban house. The Ferrari 458 Spider, worth around £200,000, left a roundabout, crossed the pavement and ended up wedged in a bush. It knocked down 2 bollards, was quite badly damaged during the smash in Bath, Somerset, at 7:40 a.m. on Saturday. The homeowner, who asked to remain anonymous, said, "My husband and son were awake and heard the crash. It woke me up, and I ran straight down, checked the driver was okay, phoned police and made driver a cup of tea." The driver said the throttle stuck on and he couldn't slow down to take the roundabout. He lost control and went across the pavement, flattened 2 bollards that the council put in, and went through all my recycling and rubbish. Luckily not a person. Police attended the scene and the Ferrari 458 Spider was later recovered around 12:30 p.m. The woman added, "It's a main walkway from Bath Easton to Bathford. Even at the early time of the crash, there were joggers, people walking dogs, people walking to work. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun online news team? Email us at tips@thesun.com.